Hello, welcome to mathgist. In this class, I want to find the value of x from this equation. 2 square root of 2x plus 5 minus s is equal to 4. Solution. Two square root of 2s plus 5 will be equal to, here is 4. If you take this to the other side, it will be plus x. Now, let's square both sides of this equation. 2 square root of 2s plus 5 all square is equal to 4 plus s all square. And this is 2 square. This will cancel this. Bracket 2s plus 5 is equal to 4 plus s square. 2 square, that is 4 bracket 2s plus 5 is equal to, this is s square plus 8s plus 16. Let's open this bracket. 4 times 2s, 8s plus 4 times 5, 20 is equal to s square plus 8s plus 16. Let's equate everything to 0. Here is s square plus 8s plus 16 minus 8s minus 20 is equal to 0. S square, this will cancel this. Then 16 minus 20, that will be minus 4 is equal to 0. S square is equal to 4. Let's take the square root of both sides. Square root of s square is equal to plus or minus square root of 4. This will cancel this. S is equal to plus or minus 2. This is the final answer. Let's check to confirm our answer. We can check. To check, when s is plus 2, we have 2 square root of 2s plus 5 minus s must be equal to 4. Now this is 2 square root of 2 bracket 2 plus 5 minus 2 must be equal to 4. This is 2 square root of 2 times 2, 4 plus 5, that is 9 minus 2 must be equal to 4. Then here is 2 bracket square root of 9 is 3 minus 2 must be equal to 4. And 2 times 3, that is 6. So this is 2 times 3, 6 minus 2 must be equal to 4. 6 minus 2, 4 is equal to 4. This satisfies the given equation. Then also when s is equal to minus 2, let's check. 2 square root of 2s plus 5 minus s must be equal to 4. Then this is 2 square root of 2 bracket minus 2 plus 5 minus bracket minus 2 must be equal to 4. 2 square root of minus 4 plus 5 minus 2, this is plus 2, must be equal to 4. Here is 2. Square root of 1 plus 2 must be equal to 4. So this is 2 bracket 1 plus 2 must be equal to 4. Then 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2. 4 is equal to 4. This also satisfies the given equation at s is equal to minus 2. Therefore, our answer s is equal to plus or minus 2 is true. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.